Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola here, AE29 Fashion, and today on this channel we are going to be doing like a sew along, follow along, day in the life of a seamstress designer. So in today's video I'm going to be making a dress for a client of mine. She's also my friend now. I met her on YouTube. She's getting married and I'm going to be making a couple of outfits for her wedding day. And yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along with the whole process so you guys can get to see the fittings, the cutting, and yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, guys, come along with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and join the family. So guys, let's get into the video. So these are the fabrics I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this beautiful kente fabric and ashoke. Here it is. And I'm also going to be using some blue Duchess satin. First of all, I've had to create my pattern. So this is a Victorian corset pattern with a yoke. These are the different parts here. I've cut out my lining. Always good to cut out your lining first, because if you make any mistakes, at least you can rectify it with the lining. So now let's start cutting out the fashion fabric, as in the kente. This part I'm just cutting out the cups, which you guys will see shortly. So I've nearly finished cutting out the top half of my outfits. These are the cups, and I've also cut out the satin part of the bodice of the corset itself now. So here it is, looking good. I love satin. And now I just need to cut out my skirt, which is a 6-piece. It's a 6-piece skirt. Hopefully on the channel I'll be able to show you how to create a pattern for a 6-piece skirt and how to cut it out and sew it together properly. But in the meantime, this is how it's looking. So I've cut out the lining, and I've also cut out the fashion fabric, which is the kente again. So let's start putting all the pieces together. So here I am just trying to piece together the 6-piece skirts, attaching the lining to every piece before I now put it all together. This kente fabric is very beautiful. I love it. I love the colors, but I must say it's very heavy. Guys, before I forget, let me wish you guys Happy New Year. Happy 2024. Oh, my bobbin ran out, so I'm having to put some more thread on my bobbin. Let me know in the comment sections down below who hates that when you're sewing and then the bobbin thread just runs out. Just when you thought you're finished and then you realize that it wasn't even sewing. It's coming together, guys. Look at my cups. Starting to sew the lining together of the corset. Looking lovely. I'm excited. Guys, it's very important when you're sewing, you always use an iron. I always say this. Very, 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 very important. Now I'm just attaching the cups to the corset itself, and yeah, let's sew that together. Now that that's done, let's get back to the skirt. So we now need to join the sides together. I've already added the zip to the back panel, or the back panels. So now I'm just joining the sides. if you've managed, guys, if you've managed to watch the video up to this far, I'm so grateful. I'm happy that you're enjoying the video, and I hope you're definitely catching some tips and tricks from me. And yeah, let's keep going. We're nearly there now, guys. So back to the corset. I've finished putting most of it together, the front and the back, and I've also attached the illusion, the yoke part, with some illusion type mesh to give it that illusion that it's your skin. I'm now adding the boning. I also want to put the eyelets in, so this is what you can see me marking here. So I'm putting the eyelets in. Quite straightforward once you get to know how to do it, to be honest. They're not as hard as they look. Guys, when you finish the video, feel free to check out the description. Hopefully I'll be able to put some links in there for you to wear to get some of these bits and pieces, like the boning, the eyelets, etc. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you. Let's keep going. So I want to add some more boning, so I'm just measuring how much I need, cutting it, and I'm also now using a lighter just to melt the ends a bit to make them a bit more rounder so that they don't pierce through the fabric. And now I'm going to lace up the corset. As you can see here, this is hard work, a lot of crisscrossing, but it's worth it in the end. These are the sleeve parts. Again, I'm adding some boning for some structure. And now I'm doing my first fitting. This is the first fitting, just to make sure everything fits and sits where it's supposed to sit. But I've not finished as yet. Now is where the real hard work starts. I now have to stone the whole of the top part of this dress. So this is the bit that the customer hasn't seen as yet. So I'm excited for her, I'm excited for me, excited for her. Man, this stoning is not easy, but it will be worth it in the end. But it took forever. I even had to get my little mama involved. Autumn was helping out in the end. And here are some more jewels to add to this beautiful dress. So as you can see, I first of all used glue to attach this jewel to the dress, and then I now use needle and thread to tack it down properly to make it more secure. And yeah, look at all the stoning. Isn't this looking gorgeous, guys? Let me know what you think. I hope you like it as much as the bride did and I did. It's looking nice. But guys, I want you guys to see the client's real reaction. So let's move on. I hope you guys are liking this. We are done with the stoning now. I just need to put the labels in and then finish the sleeves off. So I'm just putting the labels in the men's clothes. I didn't completely do the men's clothes on my own on this occasion just because of time. So I didn't bother put any filming of me putting this together. But this is what I made for the men. And we also made a hat out of the ashoke fabric too. So here they are, the his and hers outfits. So I now need to get ready so that I can go and show the client her dress so she can actually see, because she's not seen this part where I've stoned it and everything's complete. She's only just tried it on when it was still plain. So I want to catch her real reaction and see how she is. So let's do this. Hey guys, so I'm in my client's house now and I want to show her this beautiful dress. But yeah, so she hasn't seen it yet. I told her to go hide in the room because I wanted to reveal it to her and just get the real reaction. So yeah, I hope it goes well and keep watching. She's coming in now, guys.
Okay, wow. Wow. Okay. Lovely. So we have something going on here at the back.
The corset, yeah.
Don't worry. When I go into this dress, you'll be scared. You see now.
You see.
Be speaking for itself. Wow. This is amazing.
Thank you. So guys, there it is. That's her reaction. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed that as much as I did. I really love how the dress came out. I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see the vlog to this wedding, go and check out my sister. I will be leaving her name on the screen and also the link in the description down below. Enjoy the day and don't forget, Happy New Year!